A Forestville original, 1960s design, unimpeachable, clean lines, honest materials. Good bones never go out of style. 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,641 square feet of confidence. Nearly 2/3 of an acre, plantings that trace the architecture, room to breathe, room for a splash pool. Light was the original luxury. This house always understood that. Forestville, gateway to the river, wine country at the doorstep. San Francisco, an hour south. Unhurried, well composed, sure of itself.
From every mountain to every sea, nature welcomes us. Nothing much is needed, nothing more than to be. 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 All the living we love, desires of one's heart, struggles and